Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing a Newcast P3 versus an 80s K3L. I've had a lot of people ask me to do a P3 versus a K3. Now this is a K3L, not a K3LA, but I think it'll be a pretty interesting battle. This is actually a MBTA 80s wide font K3L, pretty cool horn I've recently restored. This P3 is on a low mount manifold. You don't see those as often as normal, but anyway, I think this will be a pretty good battle. So let me know in the comments below which one you think wins or which one you like the best. So anyway, here's the P3 versus the K3L.